vegetables. Let's say together. Vegetables, vegetables, vegetables. Good. And let's start learning vegetables. This is a tomato, tomato, cucumber, cucumber, pepper, pepper, potato, potato, corn, corn, carrot, carrot, mushroom, mushroom, onion, onion, garlic, garlic, cabbage, cabbage, broccoli, broccoli. One more time. Tomato. Let's repeat. Tomato, cucumber, cucumber, pepper, pepper, potato, potato, corn, corn, carrot, carrot, mushroom, mushroom, onion, onion, garlic, garlic, cabbage, cabbage, broccoli, broccoli. Okay, what color is a tomato? Tomato is red. Good. What color is a cucumber? Cucumber is green. What color is a pepper? Pepper is green, but it can be also yellow and red and green. What color is a potato? It's brown or light brown. What color is a corn? Corn is yellow. What color is a carrot? Carrot is orange. What color is a mushroom? Mushroom is brown. It can be white, light brown. What color is onion? Onion is light brown and white inside. What color is garlic? Garlic is white. What color is a cabbage? Cabbage is green, light green. What color is broccoli? Broccoli is green. Good. Now let's play the same game with the vegetables. Repeat this. Vegetables. Alright, now let's see. Look, tomato, cucumber, pepper, potato, corn, carrots, mushroom, onion, garlic, cabbage, broccoli. Now close your eyes. Close, 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 close. Now open your eyes. What is missing? What is missing? Let's think. What is missing? What is missing? What is missing? Something brown, light brown. It's a potato. Good. A potato. Good job. Now let's repeat. A tomato, cucumber, pepper, potato, corn, carrot, mushroom, onion, garlic, cabbage, broccoli. Look, 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 look. Close your eyes. Close your eyes and open your eyes. What is missing? What is missing? What is missing? Let's think. It's something green and long. It's a cucumber. Let's say cucumber. Cucumber is a vegetable. Cucumber is green. Good. Let's continue. Tomato, cucumber, pepper, potato, corn, carrot, mushroom, onion, garlic, cabbage, broccoli. Look, 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 look. Remember? Now close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now please open your eyes. Look, what is missing? What is missing? It's something orange. It starts with letter C. Carrot. It's a carrot. Look, it's a carrot. Good. Okay, let's continue. Tomato, cucumber, pepper, potato, corn, carrot, mushroom, onion, garlic, cabbage, broccoli. Remember, look, look. Now close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, open your eyes. What is missing? What is missing? A tomato is here. Mushroom is here, potato is here. What is missing? It's something white, a little bit gray. It's a garlic. Garlic. Good. All right. So now we've learned with you vegetables all together. Vegetables.